Comparatives Part 2. Let's check the structure. We have the structure for the long adjectives, the long adjective form comparatives, and we have that is this one. Okay, for the part 2, that is with short adjectives, we do the next. We add a short adjective, then we add er to the adjective. Okay, so we have noun, a verb to be, the short adjective plus er, and the word ten, and the noun. So our first example is like this one. Bishop is taller than John Cena. Example number 2. A rabbit is faster than a turtle. Example number 3. Abelito is shorter than Adrian. Next example. A bocho is slower than a Mustang. A bocho is slower than a Mustang. And the last example is an apartment is cheaper than a house. Obviously, it depends on the kind of apartment. But this is just an example. Well, for more videos, for the next video at least, click there where the arrow points and watch our next video. See you next time. Bye. Bye.